Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Wednesday 16th of March. And guys, if you want to take the trading course, here we are, and the trading course is already out. The link is in the description of the video, and if you guys don't know where it is, you guys can see this is the link right there, and you click on this link, you're going to be taken out there. And if you want to join the Discord as well, there's a link to the Discord channel, right? So back into the charts level, we do have this falling wedge, and it's potentially now breaking out the wedge for the very first time after January 2022. So it's been like 2 months that you've been inside this falling wedge, and ever since, you've been trapped in there. Now, is it time for this one to actually go and fly to the upside? As I spoke in the previous videos, potentially it is the time actually. So let's dive into the micro details and look at this line. We already broken out of the trend line, but the one thing that really bothers me is that there's no volume kicking in right now. Okay, the volume is just very normal. There's no volume, there's no any like big huge green candle for the breakout, which is a little bit of an injustice right there. We need green candles like this potentially, for us to actually break out like that, come down a little bit, make a double bottom, and then boom, you start to fly to the upside. Now that's something that I actually wanted to see, but I didn't see Cardano doing. That's a little it just that's not really good, Cardano. But anyway, it seems like you already came here, find a nice good floor right there. Do you see? You've never lost this level of support here. And from here, in my opinion, you're going to start a journey to go to the upside. So that's the daily. And what about the weekly time frame here? The weekly time frame seems, you can even notice how in the next 4 days, if you start to close, there are two scenarios. Okay, if you close at this level, exactly at that level here, then you might be, or a little bit slightly higher than this one. If you close near the 2828, you're going to be putting in a bullish engulfing candlestick right there, which is actually going to start to reverse to the upside. Or if you actually dump during the weekends all the way back down to 795 again, then you're going to be putting in inverted hammer. Either way, you're going to be winning. Okay, both of the candlestick are going to be bullish, and if you put an inverted hammer, you're still looking to go to the upside. If you put a bullish engulfing candle, you're looking to still actually continue to the upside. Now, given that, only if you do not take this low, you don't want to take that low. Okay, if you actually come down and you start to take 752, then it's potentially going to dump to the downside even way more badly than we're expecting. Then the downtrend is going to continue, unfortunately. Okay, so something that it has to be kept in mind is that you don't want to lose the 752. I'm looking for the bullish engulfing candlestick, and I'm looking for an inverted hammer in the next 4 days, 9 hours from the time I'm recording right now. And remember, guys, this is not a financial advice video, but more than like trading and chart reading pattern video. Okay, so let's go into the monthly time frame as well. There's nothing too much on the monthly. It seems like the monthly still has like no big green candle to actually pump to the upside. But if the next month you actually start to go back to this area, which is going to be the $1, you can already see that the monthly downtrend is going to be canceled out very soon by next month. So can we do that? That's big speculation. Can you actually in the next month try to go up to the $1.6? Can you do that? That would be amazing, because one thing about Cardano, even though it's a very slow mover, is that when it starts to pump, it actually pumps. Okay, it doesn't look back. Just look at what happened here. Just look at what happened with this green candle. Now there's a look, after a very, very long time. How many months is this? From September 2021 all the way to March, you've just been falling to the downside. You made a falling wedge, and to me it seems like the bears are gonna be exhausted here, and the bulls are gonna actually win, and you're gonna get this kind of repetition, this kind of candlesticks, once everything goes okay, boom, 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 you start to continue to the upside. So we do know it's a very, very incredible project, of course. We previously in the history, you can see you had this a W right there. You went up, broke the W, make a bull flag equally, back test the W here, and from there to there, I'm just gonna show you. Uh, it was looking for that technical target, but it got overextended and it just went to the upside as well. So to me, on the daily, this is the savior, this is the real deal. Okay, the daily, the falling wedge here is absolutely incredible, but the problem is there's no volume, but that doesn't matter. Volume is not everything to say that we're going to go down. But anyways, I still wanted to see some nice good volume and some nice good green candles for a breakout, because when you do breakout, you really want to see big green candles for that one. But nonetheless, this is a very, very tiny breakout. I don't know if it's going to sustain. We have to see until tomorrow. Potentially, go a little bit up there, come down again, make a double bottom, and then boom, you start to go to the upside, right? It could also, start to go sideways before moving up, and then from here start to shoot. I don't expect if you're gonna go up like this all of a sudden, because we do know how Cardano is very slow. So the nature of Cardano is just the nature of Cardano. We cannot say anything, right? So we cannot fight with the slow behavior of the coin, other than just to have patience with it and show patience to the coin. It's kind of a long-term uh, coin in my opinion, but I don't think intraday trading coin is going to be recommended when it comes to Cardano. But maybe if you ask me to hold something for 5 years, I might say Cardano is gonna come into my mind actually. Yeah, one of those coins that can be kept for the next 5 years, potentially Cardano. Anyways, if once again, if you're interested into the trading course, the way I'm doing the trading, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on that, check the content, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.